Hello guys, Rhino here. My videos will be better quality because I'm recording on my phone right now. So yeah, so today it's going to be my late review of Deku Figma. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop him off right there. I love this guy. It's like 10 out of 10 boys. Oh, okay then. Okay, this is actually not with it. So you have to like take it out of the box and like take off his head, which isn't the best part. You have to like take off the head right there. You have to take it off and like put it on and put the head back on. This figure comes with a lot of accessories like the Figma stand, but this Figma stand is like is my DIY one. I colored it. It used to be just transparent and it looked really cheap. But I got this from AliExpress and it was like a few, like 10-15 bucks. So pretty cheap. It has a joint here that can be used for like jumping off walls or something. I don't know. But it's really great for stop motion because like he's easy to stand. See? And then, like, it's like very flex. Yeah. Also, the arms come off. Mine's kind of weird how this joint is supposed to stay on to here, so that's why it's hard for me. But I would just recommend to just wiggle it out to put on another arm. My biggest con of it is that this comes out easily. And I even put like a sticker over there. Like I put a little sticker so it like sticks on better. But even like that, it's like not the best. But the joints are amazing. He could look up really far and down really far. So I'm gonna go get him. Actually, it comes with the accessories. So it comes with this thing. I don't know why. I think it's just to put the hands on. So you got those just normal open hands. I don't know why it has fists just with opening the hole inside the fist. Oh yeah, and also the Delaware Smash. Yeah, that. Okay. So what you had to do to put on the faces of this guy. So it comes with that's a boy. The only reason why I'm uploading so early is because I already got ready and everything for school. So you got the angry boy face, and you also got like that sad face. Oh yeah, this face just comes on, but it's easy to take off. So how you do it is just like rip it off, like that, and it's gonna look like that right after. And then you have to take boy face, and then find this hole, and then put it on it. And then like just pop it on, and then yeah. Oh, I'll make a video. And also you got these. Then you just put it on. See, it looks good. Yeah, but for my sake, I like his happy face because I like being happy, I guess. Oh yeah. Please comment down below what video you would like next today. Bam. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Yeah, the back is nice. Everything. It has very few cons. So I'd rate this a 9 out of 10 noodles. Okay? So today... Oh yeah, so this, it kind of looks like a gun shaped, and then you have to go pop it on the Figma, and then like just pop this boy on. Like, you could just like arrange it. And then you could just put it over here. And yeah. So yeah, pretty much. I'd say yeah, too much. Oh yeah, and also my Stay Puft Marshmallow Man Lego is finally sticking on. And Noodle. Noodle out.